All right, all right, all right. Back like I never left. What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It, and it's finally here. You guys wanted me to do an unboxing review, whatever, about the TriBit Stormbox Pro. So we have it here today. We're gonna unbox this bad boy, see what it sounds like, and just give it a quick look over. All right, so we have the TriBit Stormbox Pro here. This is going for $120 on Amazon. I believe it's $120. I'm gonna put the link down in the description below so you guys can click that and see what the current price is. Hopefully they have some deals on it soon. But let's see what we got here on the side of this box. We're gonna do this little unboxing. We're just gonna, I took the tape off already because that tape was struggling. I was like, man, let's reshoot that. So we have to redo this. It was taking, and now I can't get this out. Jesus, man. All right, there we go. All right, so you're gonna have a waterproof of IP67. That means it's dust proof as well. You don't have to worry about that. So this was gonna be a beach speaker, and with the waterproof, you could probably keep it submerged for like 20 minutes at a certain level. So I have a chart right here for you guys to check out and see the waterproofness. And you have Bluetooth 5.0 on this thing. And then like a lot of speakers nowadays, you're gonna have the stereo play. So basically you have multiple speakers connected and play them at the same time. And it says superior sound and then a long battery life. I checked the battery life. The battery life on the speaker is 20 hours. So basically 17 hours on full blast, 17 to 16 give or take. When you have it on full blast all the time, that's probably what you would hit. So let's see what's in this box. All right, so here we go. We got the, you know, the user manual right here, Stormbox Pro. And then, oh, I opened it up from the bottom. Nah, I didn't. You have your thank you card with your warranty. And then you have your cord to charge it up, which is USB Type-C. Got to get that USB Type-C on there. And then, let's see here. Oh! Let's open this up. Let's get a look at the speaker. Now, the speaker is going to have a 360 sound, so you won't have a bad room in the house. So you put it in the middle, everyone's going to get nice volume. Everyone's been wanting me to test this speaker out, so we finally got it. So shout out to TriBit. They sent this over. I hit them up, and I was like, all my viewers keep asking about your speaker. Can you send it over? And they made it happen. So this is the first look at the speaker. Check it out. And like I said, you have that 360 sound. So you're gonna have a good view all over the place. And like it says on their website, it is toteable. You can tote it wherever you want. Like this, wherever you want. You gotta tote it. Tote that thing. And then we got the back port. Oh, all right, all right. At first, cause some people, they little ports be so tight, they things be ripping my fingers off. And then you got your, you could charge in the back as well. If your phone's dying, just charge it up back here. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna drain the heck out of the speaker because it used to do that to my JBL. So this is a last ditch effort to get some battery life in your phone. You can charge back here, and then you got your USB Type-C to charge up the speaker itself. Let's connect it. All right, turning it on. Got my settings open already. It's right there already. Boom. That's quick. Let's see how quick it'll connect. There it goes. It says connected. There goes the sound. All right, so let me pick a song out right here. Let me hold this up. And then you already know we're going with some of the Filipino bangers. My boy Sage. Let's see, which one am I feeling today?
Babalik-balik, Babalik-balik sa aking utak, di na gustong maalala pa. Sa sakit ay pagod na, pero dahil sa'yo nagpaloko pa. Babalik-balik sa aking utak, di na gustong makasama ka. Tawagin mang mahina, pero di ko na talaga kaya. Sinaktan mo ng todo sa lolo, mga gabing mag-isa, halos manyulo. Ay sis, ay nalangta. Klaro kay ka CCTV di man halata. Nagpapapilra ka, uy, ay tuga-tuga. Pahawa na diha, wa mamuy kapuga. Dukot na linong at hugaw mo tanaw.
Alright, so one thing I noticed, this speaker is pretty loud. It's pretty good as well. It's gonna be a battle to see. It might be a little bit better than the Mega Boom, the Ultimate Ears Mega Boom 3. I don't know, I gotta see. But It has a nice loudness. One thing I did notice is on the sides, even though it's a 360 sound, it seems like the sides are louder. When I turn it sideways, the sides seem to be louder than the front or the back. So it's fine because, you know, you're getting sound from all around, but the sides do definitely sound louder. Right when I turned it, I noticed that. All right, yeah, so you're definitely going to get a nice clean sound out of this speaker. I really like what I'm hearing out of it. And definitely when you hit that X bass button right there, it gives it a nice little pump right away. It gives you that little bass, a little bit of rumble that you want in your speaker. So for 120 bucks, this is one of those budget options you can look to if you don't want to spend, you know, up to 200 for like the JBL speakers and all that. Well, the newest JBL speakers. So definitely will. I know you guys are gonna want sound battles, and we have some speakers that can go against this, like the Ultimate Ears and then the Bose Revolve 1. So we'll definitely do a battle with those. I know you guys want all these battles, and there's a lot that people are asking for, and we just got to start pumping them out when we can, because it does take time, because we got to switch locations and we got to shoot them, and then it just takes time to get those battles how we do them at least done. So hopefully we'll start pumping some more of them out for you guys. So sorry about that on the wait. Sorry for the wait on the speakers. All right, so there you go. There you have it, buds. That was my little unboxing of this speaker. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. You guys are helping my channel grow. And at the end of this video, there will be some more content for you guys to check out. See if something catches your eye, go ahead and click that. But I see all of you in my next video. Everyone be safe out there. This was Wanna Buy, and my name is Rodney. Everyone be safe out there. Peace.